Looking for a Caribbean getaway that's more than just beaches and resorts? Welcome to the Cayman Islands, a paradise where turquoise waters meet adventure, wildlife comes to life, and every day brings a new, family-friendly experience. From snorkeling with stingrays to discovering hidden caves, this is the Caribbean at its most magical, and it's waiting for you. Discover our 10 best family-friendly places you don't want to miss. From world-famous beaches to up-close encounters with nature, here are our top picks along with tips and impressions to help you plan your own trip. Stingray City. Emotionally, this is our number one experience at the entire Caribbean, the famous Stingray City. It's an absolute must-visit. Wade into waist-deep water and interact with friendly stingrays. It's both thrilling and surprisingly calm. Tip: book an early tour to avoid the crowds. Many local companies offer different tour options, some including coral snorkeling and a visit to Starfish Point. The boys loved staying on the boat, exploring the sea from the captain's deck. Visiting Stingray City in Grand Cayman is unforgettable and deeply moving. Standing in the shallow, crystal-clear water as gentle stingrays glide around you feels almost magical. They brush softly against your legs, curious and calm, as if welcoming you into their world. Holding and feeding one of these graceful creatures connects you to the ocean in a peaceful, memorable way. We got lucky. Our captain happened to be a photographer and took incredible photos of our family and the stingrays with his waterproof camera. By turquoise water and sunlight, it's a moment of pure awe and gratitude, a true Cayman memory that stays with you forever.